Welcome to the Engineering Clinics Expo. This is our project named as Smart Robot Car using Arduino. Here is our Professor Neeraj Kumar Mishra who guided us, and these are following teammates.
About infrared remote control. An infrared remote controls uses light to transmit the data. And also light used is infrared. Infrared light is below the visible spectrum. Infrared LEDs are inexpensive so that we can get very easily and in cheap cost. Infrared is subject to interference. Mainly infrared is subjected to the interference to two common sources. They are sunlight and the other one is intensity of the light. Let us know how infrared controls work. The infrared remote sends pulses of IR light to sensor. Pulses are modulated at 38 kHz. Each button on the remote sends a unique code. We can use these codes to control our car.
Here is our smart robot Bluetooth. Let us now explain how this car works based on the IR remote. This IR remote works based on the Bluetooth module which is fixed on the top of the smart robot car. And here we see clearly that this car moves based on the control which we have given by the IR remote. And also coming to the collision avoidance, it stops where it finds the obstacles found, and also it moves to the direction where the direction is far away from the obstacle. If you observe that clearly, this obstacle does not allow move the car, so it moves in the far away direction. And also, whereas coming to the motion detection, it moves in the direction where there is a motion of our hand or any our else. It captures the motion of the hand and moves along with the motion of the hand. And also here is the line tracking system which it moves on the line tracking based on the model chip.